Hello, baby loves. So, I'm back. And part of me coming back is also means that I'm digging old videos of mine here on my phone kasi full storage na lagi ang aking phone. So, here's an old clip of me and my titas in Hong Kong. Nagpunta kami ng Disneyland and I kind of having this habit of watching my old videos, but as much as I wanted to keep it on my phone or on my storage, actually nakagastos na ako bumili ako ng mga hard drive, but it wasn't really enough for all of the videos I'm taking. Mahilig akong mag-take ng videos and hindi ko yun na-upload. So I realized that I have a YouTube channel. Why might as well i-upload ko at na mapanood natin ng sabay, 'di ba? So yes, also coming back here in YouTube, meaning that I am learning again, like back to zero talaga. What I've learned before hindi ko naman na-apply kasi I stopped uploading videos here on YouTube, and life happens. Malalaman nyo rin, baby loves, as we go on our coming back journey here on YouTube. Ikukwento ko rin sa inyo yung mga nangyari and yung mga unexpected experiences ko before. And if you want to know something, you can always write down there on the comment section and sasagutin ko yan lahat. And thank you for all those who are still here watching my videos. I'm not really good at this, but I'm trying. Kasi sayang naman yung mga videos na to. It's part of the memories na hindi na natin mababalik. So, nahihinayang talaga ako na burahin, and while watching my old clips, parang I always had nostalgia moment, and naaalala ko yung mga lessons that I've learned while I'm on that moment. And there's so many things that I've learned within that journey, and sobrang dami kong experiences, and I'm really excited to share it with you and just keep on holding on. Kasi talagang mahirap yung comeback mahirap yung nagsisimula ka ulit, diba? And who would have thought na makakapunta ako sa ganitong estado ng buhay na magagawa ko ulit yung mga bagay na gustong-gusto kong gawin before and up until now. And I'm just so thankful and grateful na I'm coming right back on track. So yun, baby loves, hindi ko na kayo nakwentuhan about this video. Pumunta kami ng Inspirational Lake kasi you know what the thing of OFWs in Hong Kong, we don't really often go inside the Disneyland Park. Yung may mga rides, hindi kami pupunta dun sa loob. Well, me, lagi ako sa Disneyland, but hindi ako laging nagpupunta sa loob kasi mahal siya. Realistically, mahal siya. Hindi siya afford ng karamihan ng kababayan natin. Well, afford naman kung pag-iipunan or kung ililibre ka ng amo mo. Sa totoong buhay talaga, mahal siya. And, well, may mga parts naman sa Disneyland na like ito, yung pinuntahan namin, Inspirational Lake. It's part of Disneyland na free siya, puntahan. It's a park also, Inspirational Lake. Marami ka rin, it's about nature. Maraming mga nature scenery, ganyan. And nakaka-relax din siya puntahan. That time, maraming tao. That time na nagpunta kami, I think it was New Year of 2024, nagpunta kami ng mga tita sa Hong Kong, and yeah, I'm having a fun time with them. Kasi that time, malapit na akong umalis ng Hong Kong. And yeah, I'm spending time with old friends and yun, sa mga titas. Yun, para na lang to show my appreciation for them, for supporting me, for supporting what I'm doing at the time. And yun, para lang mag-banding. Banding time na rin namin. Kasi we don't really often see each other kahit naman nasa isang lang kami, bansa. Kasi we're all busy and may kanya-kanyang work, may kanya-kanyang day off. Minsan hindi nagkakasabay yung day off namin. So, we really treasure this moment na nagkakasama-sama kami. And yeah, I think this was the last time na I'm having a bond time with the titas in Hong Kong before I left. And kung mapapansin nyo sa mga videos, hindi ko kasi inedit out yung audio. And kasi gusto ko rin marinig yung mga pinag-uusapan on the background. Talagang pag magkakasama yung magkakaibigan sa Hong Kong or kahit saang lugar, pag nakita-kita yung magkakaibigan or yung magkakakilala, talagang hindi mawawala yung halakhakan. And that's so nice. That's a positive traits of a Filipino kahit saan ka magpunta. Talagang yung halakhak, iba talaga. Yung saya that it will bring kapag naririnig mo yung halakhak ng mga kapwa mo Pinoy talaga. And also, meron kami, nag-picnic kami dyan actually. Naglatag kami, but di ko na mahanap yung clip nung meron mga food. I think I had a photos, but I don't really remember where I put it. Kalat-kalat na yung mga clips dito sa phone ko, sa mga memory card ko, and sa mga hard drives ko. I don't really remember. But yeah, I think I saved it somewhere. But yeah, it was a fun time with the titas. And isa sa mga memories na I will always look back to. And now, this time, coming back here on YouTube is more like of a personal reason na hindi na yung mga dahil sa monetization. Ang dami nang nag-YouTube and ang dami nang nakikinabang and ayoko nang mag-expect na makakasali pa ako sa mga yon. It's more like of a personal reason na anytime pwede ko siyang mapanood. Hindi ako nag-aalala na mag-crash kasi yung mga memory card or yung sa cellphone, pwede mag-crash yung memory mo. Wala lahat ng videos, yung memories. Iba pa rin kasi yung may napapanood ka, may nakikita kang photos, videos ng mga nakaraan. Parang masarap mag-reminisce pag may nakikita kang visuals. So, this time, it's more like a personal reason na kung bakit I decided to come back. And I also owe it to my subscribers kasi marami rin yun, 400 plus. And I wanna thank you all for still being here. Kung sino man yung nagwa-watch pa rin ng videos ko kahit na wala naman talaga. Minsan, wala namang sense yung mga ina-upload ko. Pero thank you guys for just being there and not unsubscribing on my channel. And yeah, and marami akong clips actually ng mga puntahan ko or mga adventures ko sa Hong Kong. Of course, I took a little lot videos noon kahit na busy. And yun, ang sarap lang balikan. Minsan nakakamiss din yung Hong Kong. And iba pa rin talaga ang environment sa Hong Kong. Kasi marami kang nakikitang Pinoy na makakasalubong mo kahit saan. Ayun. And I still hope one day makabalik ako ng Hong Kong. Kasama ko yung family ko. Malibot ko sila sa Disneyland, sa mga places na nililibot ko. Marami din akong mga adventures na nagawa sa Hong Kong and I wanted to experience it with my family someday. Sana. And yun yung pinagpipray and pinaghandaan din natin, syempre. Thank you, baby loves. Kung umabot kayo sa part ng video na to, patapos na tayo. Pasensya na kayo, medyo mahaba. Ayoko kasi talaga siyang downsize kasi I wanted to see the whole video and ayokong may maalis na clip kasi it's a part of the memory. And yun, thank you so much, baby loves, for always being here with me. Thank you so much, and always ingat kayo lagi and fill your heart with lots of loves.